Hey everybody, we're here with projectile motion simulation on PhET. And I'm going to select intro to start. So just giving you a little tour. Obviously we're launching pumpkins up here for now because it's that time of year. Here's our target down here and here's our cannon. So right here it's at 10 meters above ground level and the initial speed is 15 meters per second. So these are the two default settings when you first launched the simulation. This red button here is the launch button, but obviously don't hit that yet because we want to calculate where that projectile is going to land or the range, and so that we can put this at that location and hit launch and get a direct hit the first time. So back in the day, it was trial and error until Galileo and Newton came along and said, we can understand the physics and actually make predictions of how objects will move based on initial circumstances. So after you do that, default one, you can obviously move this to some different distances here or lower and change the initial speed to observe some hits and actually calculate it for yourself so you can get your own unique direct hit. Oh, there you go. There goes the pumpkin. Okay, that is the first part to do. The second part here is then to move on and click on air resistance and do your launch again and see how that changes the range of your projectile. Okay. The second part is moving to vectors, so click on vectors down here. And when I click on vectors, I have a cannon now on the ground level, and I can change the angle of launch for my projectile, and I can change the initial speed as well. And here we are encountering air resistance. That can either be on or off for this part. And by default, it's cannonball, and that's totally fine. So we want to try different launches here to determine which angle, there's 70 degrees, gives you the longest hang time, and also which angle gives you the largest range. To do that, you can grab this time range height finder here and place it anywhere along that parabola. It will tell you the time, range, meaning horizontal distance, and height, vertical distance of the projectile. So obviously if I check the range on this one, at where it hit, oh, it's not working, people. Oh, I need that little dot. I got it. So there it's 12.28 meters and took 2.88 seconds. So I can change, I'm going to keep changing this angle and doing different launches to determine which one will give me the longest range and then which angle gives me the longest time. Have fun, everybody.